Here we have Woody. He's decided to go for the little tree.
Of course I did.
Yeah. Oh. Do you know what you're doing there, pal?
He's got to get down.
Right. Oh, yes, they're coming down. Look at him, he's like Tarzan.
Oh.
Fucking more like fucking Jane, yeah. Cheater. Oh, nice. He's comfortable cutting bush.
I'm not.
He can find a way. Yeah, but you.
I do like a trim bush though.
Yeah, yeah. Oh no. Oh, way up, he's got to be careful here. He's got to get that leg over. He brings a whole new meaning to a wood on. It's surprising, isn't it, how it does open it up and you don't think you're cutting much.
Yeah.
And it really does open it up.
Well, this is, it's strategic.
Yeah.
Strategic and targeted. That I'm only looking at the stuff that's either shooting straight
Yeah.
or growing into the middle of the tree. Yeah, that'll be alright.
Yeah, that's cool. Now the fun part.
Sorry?
Now the fun part. Let's see you get down. Yeah, do you want me to give you an hand, mate? Oh. Yeah.
Oh.
Always the simplest option, eh, bro?
Yeah. Path of least